Good morning, it's Mike from Common Sense, coming at you from Legacy Gymnastics in Toms River, one of the latest of Common Sense zones added to our list. So we're down here this morning and we are treating this entire facility, making it a Common Sense zone. So let's take a walk around and see what we got here. We got our applicators hitting every inch of this facility, and there's a lot here to hit. So while we're out here, we are treating, I'm going to spin the camera around, all the mats, all the gymnastic equipment, actually the floor, the entire floor, and we're preparing this for their reopening on Thursday, which would be July 2nd, I believe it is. So what we are applying here is our Fresh Start program and converting this to a Common Sense zone. And what is a Fresh Start program? Well, what we do is we spray our antimicrobial biostatic spray on every coating, every surface, and it leaves a long-lasting coating, and it stops germs from growing. And that's the primary objective, right? So trying to protect the students here as they come in and practice and learn and train for their own specific specialty. Nice place. So there you go. All right. Thank you for checking us out. If you're interested in becoming a Common Sense zone, I want you to go to smartcommonsense.com. That's smartcommonsense.com. All right. Give us a call, send us an email, and we will be glad to take care of you, answer any questions. All right. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great day.